بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طلبة المرحلة الرابعة قسم الإنتاج النباتي كلية التقنية النمساوية. اليوم درسنا الأسبوع الثاني من الأدغال نظري crop competition. Crop competition is one of the cheapest and most useful methods. It means using the best crop production methods that suits the crop that weeds are crowded out. Actually, competition makes full use of one of the oldest laws of nature, survival of the fittest. Man is the most disturbing factor when his wishes conflict with the environment. He uses his intelligence to change the environment to his advantage. Herbicides are a new tool in man's fight to control plant competition in his environment. If used properly, chemicals can often do the job better and more efficiently than other methods. In spite of all this, nature is persistent. Man can control one type of plant, only to find that he has made condition favorable to another. If man is not careful, he may solve one problem, only to create another equally serious problem. Weeds are naturally competitors. Those weeds that can best compete always dominate. Dominance may involve quick germination and very rapid early growth. For example, quick growing annual leaves tend to dominate in desert areas, have soil nutrients and carbon dioxide. One mustard plant requires twice as much nitrogen and phosphorus, 4 times as much potassium and 4 times as much water. 4 times as much water developed out plant. The average common ragweed requires 3 times as much water as a corn plant. As a corn plant treats as a crop as much the same requirements for growth as a crop plants. The competition for nutrients can be easily seen from chemical analysis. From chemical analysis, weeds growing in corn and competing with corn only weed competition usually reduce crop yields for more than late season weed growth. Therefore, early weed control is very important. Late weed growth may not seriously reduce yield, but it makes harvesting difficult, reduces crop quality. Rain tests the plant with seeds and harbors insects and diseases during the fall and winter. In planning a control program, it is important to know the weed's life cycle. Possibly the cycle can be interpreted to gain easy but very effective control, improve production. This may be a well-timed chemical spray for a shift in planting date. The craft gets the upper hand or competitive advantage covering land with plastic tar paper, old linoleum, straw, sawdust, or any other similar material is largely a matter of competition for light. Most weed seeding cannot penetrate the thick coverings and are kind because of lack of light. Weed classification means of their spread, season of growth, life cycle, and the damage they cause.